Hi everybody, my name is Hilary. I'm the Lead Calibration Tech here at Digivac, and today, along with our President and CEO, Tim Collins, we will be doing a first-time unboxing of the Agilent IDP-15 dry scroll pump. Now the pump comes along with several accessories. Including a reference card outlining the startup and shutdown procedures, as well as unpacking and inspection. Also comes with a filter and a fuse for use with the gas ballast, a 4mm T-handle Allen wrench, instruction manual, as well as performance data on the pump, and certificates of conformity. And if purchased directly from Digivac, the pump will come with a power cord. Prior to disengaging the shipping locks, you'll notice that the pump does not move inside its cowling. The shipping locks should be released before use in order to minimize noise and vibration. So our first step for setup is to loosen these L brackets in order to push them up so the pump can sit on its rubber feet. The pump comes with a multi-purpose tool that will loosen all of these hex bolts. See, the bracket will loosen, and we'll push it up so the bracket is flush with the bottom of the pump, and retighten the hex bolts. And then we'll turn it around and do the same to the other L bracket. Then we'll set the pump down, and it will rest on its rubber feet. So our next step is to disengage the shipping locks to loosen the floating feet inside. There are 4 shipping locks on the pump on all 4 corners. We'll use the same multi-purpose tool. We turn clockwise to disengage the feet just until you feel a bit of resistance, and then that shipping lock is disengaged. We'll do the same to each of the 4 shipping locks. Now we will examine all the features of this pump. First is the KF25 inlet port with a built-in inlet screen, maximum inlet pressure of 1 atmosphere. Next is the KF16 outlet port, along with the ports for gas ballast 1 and gas ballast 2. The on and off power switch, the receptacle for the power cord, and the hour meter to show how long your pump has been running, and the voltage selector switch, which allows the user to change from 230 volts to 115 volts. The pump comes preset at 230 volts from the factory, so check your voltage requirements before powering on. Here, and on each corner of the pump are the shipping locks, which will need to be disengaged to loosen the floating feet before operation.